smooth. Those old flatheads are so quiet.
It doesn't seem like it's going to turn over, does it?
Well, that's 6 volt for you.
Good old 6 volt. Yep.
Is it a 51?
Yeah.
I've got a 53 point double here that's been half converted to 12 volt.
Oh, yeah.
Starter and generator, but none of the bulbs have been changed for it.
That's easy to change bulbs.
Yeah.
Very simple.
It's just no documentation, so you're not sure. I'm not sure what has or has not been done.
Right. Well, the bulb's all marked 6V or 12V.
I'm just scared to put a battery to it so far.
Right, right. Well, the worst thing that happens is it burns out the bulb.
Well, I'm worried about the gauges.
Yeah, the gauges will. Well, you can usually see behind the dash. You know what those regulators look like? The voltage reducers?
I do not.
Okay, so you could Google it. They're probably.
Like a little box.
No,
Really?
they're not. They look like a round piece of porcelain with a terminal on one side and a terminal on the other. So voltage goes through it. And
Snake bite here.
actually, the ones that I was using back, I don't know how they make them these days. They have a stud sticking out, and you can add several things on there that you want to be on the 6 volt side of things, with one wire coming in as your 12 volt, and then coming out as 6 volt. So some people put a reducer for each item, and some people put one reducer for multiple items. But I guess you can overload it. You know, when it's going through it. Yeah, but you could do the whole gauge system could probably be done with a couple of reducers. But they look
Have
like
the clock
the
working.
reducers I've used are white. And they look
Merc or
like
Matic?
porcelain, and they're about that big around, about that wide. They're not, and they're about that thick. So that's what it looks like. And obviously it won't be like mounted to the firewall.
1951.
Or something, hanging loose. I don't
Mercury.
think there's any way to mount them.
Right.
They just hang free in the wiring harness. But that's what they look like. So if you see something like that, that's a reducer.
Yeah.
You could Google it, 12 volt to 6 volt reducer, and they'll for automotive, and they'll that's what they used to look like. They don't look like that.
No, that's
That's a relay, but yeah, they don't look like that per se. But
okay.
of course, the big black thing is your voltage regulator. Yeah, so
Because this is like the great grandparent to the Mercury I've got. I've got a 63 Monterey.
oh yeah,
Oh, cool.
yeah. A guy that we sell cars to, he's actually bought 2 or 3 from us. He has a '63 Monterey.
No kidding.
Yeah, down in Austin.
Oh, that's
He
away
bought
from
it.
here.
He bought it at Meek.